In this video, I'll guide you through how to price eBay items using Solds and Terapeak. Whether you're new to selling on eBay or a seasoned pro, understanding the best practices for pricing your items can make a significant difference in your sales. Using these tools can help you determine competitive pricing, ensuring you attract buyers while maximizing your profit. First, let's head over to eBay's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the search bar prominently displayed at the top. This is where you'll type in the item you're looking to price. For example, if you're selling a vintage record player, type that into the search bar and press enter. This will bring up a list of current listings and give you an idea of the general market landscape for your item. Next, we'll refine these results to focus on sold items. This is crucial because it tells you what buyers are actually willing to pay as opposed to what sellers are hoping to get. To do this, look for the filter options on the left-hand side of the page. Scroll down until you see the option for sold items and click it. The page will refresh, showing only items that have successfully sold, along with their final selling prices. This step is incredibly helpful for setting a realistic price that reflects market demand. Now, let's delve into eBay's advanced tool, Terapeak, for more detailed research. Start by navigating to the top right corner of the eBay homepage, where you'll see My eBay. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Selling. This will take you to your seller dashboard. Once you're on your selling page, look for the Research tab. Under this, you'll find Product Research. Click on that to open the Terapeak tool. If you haven't used Terapeak before, it's an eBay feature that gives you insights into sales trends, price fluctuations, and demand for products over time. It's a powerful tool for anyone serious about optimizing their eBay sales. With Terapeak open, enter the name of your product in the search bar. For instance, if you're pricing that vintage record player, type it in and hit enter. Terapeak will provide a wealth of information about historical sales data, average selling prices, and sales trends over various periods. This data can be invaluable for setting a competitive price that will both attract buyers and meet your sales goals. By using both the sold items filter on eBay and the Terapeak tool, you can gather a comprehensive view of the market. Remember, the key to successful selling is not just about setting the lowest price, but finding the sweet spot where your item is competitive but still profitable. Consider factors such as the condition of your item, any unique features, and the average market demand when finalizing your price. To wrap up, pricing your eBay items effectively involves a mix of research and strategy. By leveraging eBay's sold items filter and the detailed analytics provided by Terapeak, you position yourself for success in the competitive eBay marketplace. Take the time to explore these tools and adjust your pricing strategy as needed, and you'll be well on your way to boosting your eBay sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.